Good morning, my lovers. It is Vlogmas Day 14. I'm off from work today, but we still been working at home. I have to do the carpet, and I'm gonna try and wash the windows outside at least, and then later on I'll do the inside because the sun. But yeah, we're gonna try and finish most of our spring cleaning. If you know, you know. It's December, Christmas is coming, you have to clean your house, even though no one is coming. I'm just gonna have breakfast now. I want to make bacon, so I made me egg with it, with toasted bread, my meal of last night that I did not finish, and a nice cup of tea to start the day. I'm gonna take a break because it's hot and I just finished blowing my hair. Took me over an hour. So we're gonna have mango. And this is what my aunt made to eat, just Rihanna, some chips. A meal that I still did not eat, so you know what? I'll eat the meal first. So basically for the day, I cleaned outside, the carpet outside, and I came in, then I cleaned the mat in the house. And then I was tired, and I was laying on the couch scrolling on TikTok and Facebook until I was like, you know what, I'm going to sleep. I woke up past 5, I think it was. My auntie's like, why it looks outside? I'm like, what is it now again? I'm trying to sleep, but I smell smoke. This whole area was full of smoke because people keep making fires everywhere. Like, it's hot enough, relax. I don't know if someone started it or if it was just because like the sun got contact with the glass or whatever. But like, yeah. And then I took a shower, brushed my teeth, washed my hair for tomorrow for work. Also, I didn't wash the windows yet. My mother was like, no, it's fine, leave it for next week. So whatever. If you don't want to wash your car, I don't know this. It's time to devour you. It smells so good. Go to near the store, mall, get your mango. It's good. Later on in this video, I'm going to be putting on the Christmas tree decorations. We never put it on so early. We are short of time this year because I'm working and there isn't like, I don't know, maybe off or whatever. So we're doing it early this year. Good. Now I have to get back to my hair. Let's finish my hair. Heard your mother said come again. Let's raise this couple more to the revolution. Aaron Burke, give me the verse, drop some knowledge. Good luck with that, you're taking a sin. You sip it, I'ma sit, we'll see where we land. If you stand for nothing, bro, what do you fall for? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who is this kid? What's he gonna do? Let's clean the car because she can't wait. I am in no mood to take out the vacuum, so we're gonna use the broom to sweep out the car. Hey guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the video. I'm done cleaning Twitter. I know I said we're gonna put on the Christmas trimmings, but my auntie said that can wait because there's so few things we need to clean in the house. I'm so tired and I have to go back to work tomorrow. Pray for me. But anyway, I think this is gonna be like spring clean part 1, and I don't know when part 2 is coming. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in Vlogmas day 15.